In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company logo to a Typeform using your PC, quickly and cleanly. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Any modern browser will do the job. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter. When the page loads, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, head to your workspace and open the specific form you want to update, so we're working on the right project from the start. With your form open, look for the Design section. This is where Typeform lets you control the look and feel of your form. Click Design to open the customization controls. Here you'll see layout and branding options. We're focusing on the logo, so find the plus icon. Click the plus icon and choose the option that says Add Logo. This opens the spot where your brand mark will live across the form's header area. Next, click Upload Image. That will bring up your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your logo is stored. Select the correct file and then click Open or Upload depending on the prompt you see. If you have multiple versions of your logo, choose a high-quality file that's not too large. A PNG with a transparent background typically looks clean on different backgrounds and layouts. After the upload finishes, you'll see the logo placed in the form preview. Take a moment to adjust the size and position so it looks balanced. Use the on-screen controls to scale the logo up or down and align it so it doesn't compete with your form's title or question text. If your logo feels too dominant, scale it down a touch. If it's getting lost, bump it up just enough to be clear without overwhelming the page. Also keep an eye on contrast. If your logo blends into the background, consider a version with more contrast, or tweak your design colors so the logo stands out crisply. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save. This locks in your changes and ensures your logo will appear consistently wherever this form is viewed. If you ever want to swap the logo later, you can come back to the same design area and repeat the upload process. And that's it. You've successfully added your company logo to your Typeform from your PC. Keeping your branding visible at the top of your form helps establish trust and recognition. And with these steps, you can set it up in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy form building.